Nate, your product support specialist at RealityWorks. I'm going to show you how to disconnect and clean the vinyl catheterization model from the tower. Begin by making sure all clamps are down. Disconnect the hoses. Keep them in an upright position to keep any of the liquid from squirting out all over. Go ahead and attach the two hoses from the bladder together. Remove the abdomen cover. Go ahead and slide the tubes through. Go ahead and remove the genitalia. And then slide the clamps off. Pull off the bladder, keep the black cap up. So to clean out the bladder, it is best to do this above a sink. Take the syringe, fill it with water, connect the syringe to your hose. Make sure this bladder is held upright. The black cap is pointed upward. And then squeeze the contents of the syringe through and into the bladder. You can go ahead and disconnect the syringe, and to empty it, just tip the bladder up and over to dispel the rest of the liquid. After you have disconnected the bladder and genitalia, make sure you have cleaned the bladder and emptied out all the water, and then clean the genitalia with warm water. You'll want to empty out the excess liquid. Begin by taking the cap off, and do this over a sink, and then pour out the excess liquid. And then go ahead and hold the canister upright, undo the clamps, to expel the remaining liquid, and then you can flush the rest of it out with warm water, and then wipe it clean with a towel and set out to dry, making sure that the clamps remain open to allow the excess liquid that are trapped inside the tubes to dry out.